Good day everyone, this video is part 8 of Trading Crypto with OKX series. In this video, we will learn about slicing bot. This bot is very unique, which will slice big orders into smaller multiple orders. If you are a newbie and want to learn Trading Crypto from the beginning, you can check the complete video series links on the description. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well. Without further ado, let's dive into the video.
Now we will learn about slicing bots. Before we continue, we have a special offer for you. You can get a 10% cashback for every transaction if you open an account using this referral code kickback10. There are two types of slicing bot in OKX. First is Iceberg and TWAP. TWAP stands for time weighted average price. What is Iceberg bot? Well, basically it will split large orders into multiple smaller orders, which is based on price. Later on, we will take a look deeper about this bot. And for TWAP, it will also split large orders into multiple smaller orders, but it is based on time interval. So both of the bots have same function. So the main function is to minimize market impact. For example, if you want to execute order in a large size, you may want to split the order into smaller size. Otherwise, it will impact the price movement very significantly. By using this slicing bot, the impact will be minimal. Prevent significant price shift, and it will reduce slippage and reduce visibility to other traders. By using the slicing bot, it will camouflage your big size order. This bot applies to spot and future market. Now we will learn about Iceberg slicing bot, and we take a look at the example. Now I am at the homepage of the OKX apps, and if you want to go to the Iceberg bot, just tap on the middle menu here twice. Tap Trading Bot, and the next, tap Slicing Bot menu. You will find two types of bot, Iceberg and TWAP, and now we will tap the Iceberg. Next, we select the pair. Tap on the XRP USDT, and you can select which pair, whether in spot market or future market. Now, let's stick to XRP USDT for example. For example, we want to buy XRP USDT in a large size, for example 1000 XRP. Then we set up the total amount of XRP 1000. Instead of buying at once, we can split the orders. If we set the amount per order into 5 XRP, then it means that we can split the order into 200 orders. Below it, you can find the number of visible orders. It is the number of orders that is sent to the order book. So public can see it, but the rest are hidden. Next, on the advanced setting, you can find the preference. We choose here price speed balance. If you tap here, there are three options. Quick execution is more aggressive, and price speed balance is, we call it moderate, and passive queuing is more passive, and the order will be sent to the bid side. Here we can set also the limit price. And this is optional, by the way. So for example, the current market price of XRP now is 0.609, and if we set the limit price to 0.6000, and the bot will wait until the price reach to the limit price, then release the order. To start the bot, simply tap buy XRP, and we can see the details here. Now you can see here the bot is running. Slowly, the number of XRP filled is increasing. Bot will purchase XRP gradually until it reach 1000 XRP. Now let's go to the My Bot page, and there you can see the bot which is ongoing now. I don't want to wait until 1000 XRP because it's just for example. I would like to stop here. Just press stop and confirm. Then you can check on the history. Okay, that would be all, and let's continue on the next lecture. Okay, next we'll learn about TWAP, time weighted average price, and let's go to the OKX app. We can select slicing bot and select TWAP. For example, we want to buy this coin, OKBUSDT, using TWAP. Bot will split the order into multiple smaller orders and send it to the order book via interval time. Now let's take a look at the example. We want to buy OKBUSDT, and this price range constants, I want to change it first into percentage. And the price variance recommendation is 0.5, I'll key in 0.5. The current price of OKB now is 59.41, and to fill in this limit price, it needs to be higher than the current price. So we set the upper price of this bot. And in this case, I would like to set the price to 61. And next is that we define the time interval for split order. This is important. And this is in seconds. So I will key in 120 seconds, means that every 2 minutes, the order will be sent. Next is we key in the order amount. For example, amount per order, I set into 1 OKB. This is for example, yeah. And the total order amount is, let's say 5 OKB. So in this example, I want to buy 5 OKB, split into 5 order, each 1 OKB per order, and each order will be sent every 120 seconds. And to run the bot, click buy OKB. And after the bot runs and completed, you can check on my bot, check history, and there you can see the bot just run with all the parameters we defined earlier. If you check on the bot and tap history, if you check on this, all price field below 61 USDT. So 61, remember, is the limit price we set earlier. You can check also the time of order. For example, this is the first order 11:52, 11:54, 11:56, and every 2 minutes the order is sent to the system. Okay, that's all, and I hope you get the idea on how to use this bot. Next, we will learn about signal trading. I will give illustrations about what signal trading is. Suppose there is a client who opened account at OKX and he wants to use signal trading. Then this client will, we call it, subscribe to one of the signal provider. On the apps, we can find marketplace where we can search or select signal providers. So the steps is as follows. First, we need to subscribe to signal providers. The signal provider will charge you with certain percentage from profit sharing, around 10 to 30%. Then the second step is that we will create signal bot from the signal provider we selected earlier, and then it will be executed directly to the signal bot. And then we can customize trading pairs and leverage. We may custom a little bit, and when there's a signal, it will be executed directly. Well, other than a signal provider, we can have or create our own signal. We can create our own signal by connecting it to TradingView. It is quite advanced, by the way. If you are familiar with TradingView and you can program using binance script, you can connect your TradingView alert to trigger order in OKX bot. In this case, there's no profit sharing because it's our own signal. To summarize, there are two signals. One is from signal providers and the other one is from our own custom signal. Okay, now let's go take a look at the OKX apps. So if you look at the signal trading here, tap here, and you can tap signal bot. Then you can select signal by tapping here. Well, in this case, I already have here two selections because I have subscribed to both of them. Okay, how to subscribe to signal providers? I want to close this first and we go back in the front page. You can scroll down and below you will find this one, Signal Marketplace. Okay, tap on Signal Marketplace here and you can find many signal providers available here. You can then subscribe to them. For example, this Scientist TWAP, I already subscribed. If we tap, then we can see the detail of it. Then we can study further about this provider, their strategy, their winning rate, how many subscribers are subscribed to them, what coins do they trade, and the backtested APY, such as like this, etc., etc. After you tap subscribe, it will show up here. Then you may want to custom a little bit, such as leverage you want to use and the amount of invested margin, and then after everything okay, then you can create your bot. By the way, I have created this bot a while ago. You can see here on my bots and I will show you. Okay, here it is. This bot has been running around 1 week already. I invested $1,000 and it has profit around 6.24%. You can tap the bot and find more detail about it. You can find the bot info, position, open orders, and event history. Okay, next is I want to share how to connect this bot to TradingView to create our own signal. By the way, it is quite advanced, so I don't want to spend too much time on this. It is just to give you an idea about how it works. Tap on Select Signal and you can tap Add Custom Signal. Enter signal name and signal description. Okay, this is just for an example, yeah, signal name and signal description. Then I tap create signal. And the apps will give you the webhook URL you can copy, and also this one, you can copy both of the scripts. If you want to study further about these topics, you can go to the OKX websites and study there. Okay, I think that would be all for now, and we'll go to the next lecture.
That would be the end of part 8, and on the next part we will summarize all the bots and I will give you recommendation on which bot you can use. Thanks for watching guys, and if you like the video you could just hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you on my next video. My name is Tom Yu and have a good trading day. I'll see you.